This is Dave. Dave works in the IT department of a company that relies heavily on SharePoint for both internal use and client work. And right now, he's freaking out. Why? Well, the company's website traffic has plummeted. Their search ranking has dropped from really high on page 1 to I can't find it anywhere. And their users and clients are blowing Dave's email up, and not in a good way. It's like everything in Dave's professional world has suddenly fallen into the black hole known as the 404 zone. There are lots of SharePoint-related reasons that could cause these kinds of broken link issues, like the server migration Dave's company just did. But they're not always easy to identify, and too often the problems go deeper than you thought at first. But if Dave just had the SharePoint Broken Link Manager from Cognilo, he wouldn't be pulling his hair out right now, or spending time searching for therapists in his area. Instead, he would have simply downloaded the tool from the Cognilo website, installed it on a Windows 7 or higher machine, and run it to remotely find and fix broken links in SharePoint, both on-premises and in Office 365 SharePoint Online. The Broken Link Manager can scan any aspect of online data like site pages or metadata, scan the content with any kinds of files like PDFs, Word or Excel documents, export the data and automatically email reports on a schedule, automatically find and replace bad URLs, and much more. And there never would have been any broken links for Dave to fret about, which would make Dave's company happy, make their customers happy, and make Dave happy. There you go, Dave. Download the SharePoint Broken Link Manager today.